technology right here. We got the Xander on the lawnmower frame with the trailer and the other lawnmower. High quality production.
Watch, it's gonna rip off right again.
What do you mean? It's not gonna rip again.
Where's used to rip again?
Like the last video, it ripped.
Turn, buddy. Turn.
Turn, brother! You got the steering wheel for a reason. Severe risk. As the Xander Lorian goes on his epic journey across the yard. Nah, brother. I got that thing there. Oh, no. Like, isn't this just great? I mean, like, look at him. He just needs to steer when he can. Thankfully, he's steering. Like, look at this epic journey. Totally epic.
Half brakes, buddy.
I know I do. Why'd you stop so much?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, hold on. I gotta fix something. Ow!
Hey, remember this?
Right there. Sorry.
Alright.
That was fun.
See, we didn't go to the hideout.
Yeah, you know what? You need to do that more often.
Okay.
Just in the yard.
You want to do it? We should bring you to the trail.
I don't think the trail.
Okay. You want to try this one?